The 25-year-old man, referred to as Ya, was hospitalized and presented to an emergency room unconscious after his brain began to swell up against his skull from internal bleeding. As Bernard HSU, a YouTuber who posts videos on real hospital cases, described in a video, the TikToker tried to dry scoop the pre-workout directly into his mouth so it would hit harder. Load error. Clearly, this was nonsense intended to sensationalize an unnecessary class of supplement, but Ya was determined, explained HSU. He was going to dry scoop pre-workout for a video to post and get 100,000 followers. Originally dry scooping 2 scoops, Ya went and doubled it with 4 scoops and, unsurprisingly, had instant regret. He thought it would be funny for the video to just chase it down with 4 more scoops already mixed in with water, as he washed everything down and got ready for his workout. Pre-workouts are generally packed with caffeine, creatine and other blended ingredients to help provide additional focus during a workout. The combination of huge amounts of caffeine and beta-phenylethylamine in 8 scoops of pre-workout swallowed all at once, with heavy lifting, altogether could have increased Ja's blood pressure so high that it caused his brain to start to stroke in the form of a bleed, explained HSU. Doctors were able to treat Ya and prevent further pressure from his brain against his skull, with his condition having appeared to improve. If you're really training seriously, you shouldn't need anything extra to help you focus on training, because this is a non-essential supplement, explained HSU. Don't push it with this kind of stuff.